So hey guys, what is up everyone? I'm Arnav here, back again with yet another video, and this video is a quick tech news video, and let's get right into it. So the first news is about Google. Google's Pixel 3a has been recently leaked many times, and now its final render has come out, and it is rumored that it will be launched with the Snapdragon 670 processor, which is a bit new to the 600 series. So the next news is about OnePlus, and OnePlus is set to launch its OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro on May 14th. Yes, the next month 14th. And I've also made a video about OnePlus 7 Pro's final leak and render, the specifications and everything. So check out that video on top. Now, the final news is about Huawei. So it has been some time since Huawei has unveiled its Mate X on the MWC Barcelona, and now it's finally nearing to its launch, and it is speculated that the launch will be held by this July. So that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to our channel by clicking the red color subscribe button below. And hey, don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get all the updates of our channel. Now till the next video, this is Arnav signing off from the channel. Peace.